Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily free up storage space on your Sharp Google TV. So go over to the settings. Now we need to scroll down until we see system and then storage. So click here, click on free up storage and click clear cache. Now it's only the cached data from apps and you always will have the remaining 4.53 megabytes, so don't worry about it. And here you guys can uninstall some apps for more storage. For example, Max, Pilot WP, Disney Plus, and much more. So thank you guys for watching, that will be it. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a comment, subscription, and like. Bye.